we've got the results of what the farmer did on this clamp from when he filled the clamp. And it's very important that when we're filling the clamp, we do the job properly. And the most critical thing is good compaction, good consolidation. And that requires us to fill in even layers, no more than 15 centimeters deep, particularly in whole crop. This is a whole crop silage. And it's very important with whole crop because it's more difficult to condense in the clamp that we have 15 centimeter layer depths. Each layer is consolidated as the farmer is filling, and then the next layer is put in. And that's done throughout the filling process. And then immediately the clamp is full, half an hour to an hour rolling on the top of the clamp when it's finished to make sure that top layer is consolidated, and then the sealing process.